The fundamentals have never changed. The world is standing at the edge of a financial transformation unlike anything seen before. Behind the scenes, the very institutions that once powered the global economy are preparing to replace the system they built. The legacy network that moves the world's money, SWIFT, is now discussing innovation, and that innovation has a name: blockchain. A new monetary era is emerging, one that merges technology, digital assets, and artificial intelligence into a single financial grid. Welcome to the global monetary reset. The last time the world experienced a true monetary reset was in 1944 at Bretton Woods, then again in 1971, when the United States abandoned the gold standard. But this time, the reset isn't simply about gold or paper. This reset involves blockchain, artificial intelligence, 5G, and digital currencies, technologies that together form the backbone of the next financial architecture. The current fiat system is crumbling. Decades of reckless money printing, mounting debt, and weakening currencies have brought us here. But while most of the world watches inflation and recession headlines, global financial engineers, the central banks, the Bank for International Settlements, and international monetary organizations are quietly preparing the replacement. They call it innovation. But make no mistake, it's a new financial operating system designed for a digitally connected, tokenized world. 63 major central banks operate under the Bank for International Settlements, coordinating global monetary policy. For years, these institutions have been experimenting with blockchain-based systems, not as a speculative technology, but as a new standard for money movement. They understand that trust in fiat currencies is collapsing. Nations are quietly selling U.S. treasuries and accumulating gold. Investors are looking to assets that exist outside government control. Digital or tangible? The shift is already in motion. We are moving toward a multipolar financial system where multiple currencies coexist, connected through interoperable blockchain networks. The age of one dominant reserve currency is ending. Instead, value will move seamlessly across nations through bridge assets like XRP, designed to remove friction and enable real-time global settlement. This new system isn't being built for everyday people. It's being designed by and for the institutions that control wealth. History shows every financial collapse consolidates power upward, and this time will be no different. Crashes aren't accidents, they're engineered resets. When liquidity dries up, assets collapse, and panic hits the markets, powerful institutions accumulate what's left, at a discount. Each collapse pushes us closer to full digital control. Programmable money, digital IDs, tokenized assets, all connected to a traceable blockchain grid. But for those who understand what's coming, this isn't just a crisis. It's a once-in-a-generation opportunity to reposition before the system flips. One of the tools keeping the current system alive is the rise of stablecoins. Behind the marketing, these coins are a clever solution to sustain the U.S. debt market. Every stablecoin issued must be backed by reserves, often U.S. treasuries, creating a permanent buyer of U.S. debt. It's a system on life support. By tying stablecoins to treasuries, the old world temporarily props up its collapsing foundation, delaying the inevitable reset. But this delay only builds more pressure. Eventually something will break. And when it does, the blockchain-based infrastructure being tested today will be activated worldwide. In the coming world, the US dollar won't disappear, but its role will change. The next system will feature multiple reserve currencies, interoperating through blockchain technology. The dollar will coexist with digital currencies, gold-backed tokens, and sovereign digital assets. Value will move instantly 24/7 without intermediaries, but sovereignty will be replaced by conditional ownership. Tokenized assets, even gold, will exist on networks controlled by institutions. Ownership will no longer be absolute, it will be programmable. This is the fine print of the digital future, control disguised as innovation. At the center of this transformation stands XRP, designed from inception to serve as a global bridge currency. Its purpose is simple: connect financial systems, provide on-demand liquidity, and move trillions of dollars without friction. When the current system buckles under its own weight, assets like XRP will provide the liquidity the world needs to keep money flowing. It's no coincidence that global regulators, central banks, and major financial entities have all been studying the same few technologies, XRP among them. When the reset activates, these assets could become the rails of the new digital economy. We are living through the reset right now, a slow-motion transformation hidden behind inflation reports, debt ceilings, and digital pilot programs. The elites are positioning for the future. The question is, are you? Those who understand what's coming will own assets that preserve value beyond paper. They will understand the difference between wealth and currency, between control and freedom. The monetary reset is no longer a theory, it's happening in real time. Blockchain isn't just the next chapter of finance, it is the new foundation. And once this transition is complete, the world will never operate the same again. If this helped, please like and subscribe to EconGeoFinance Insights. Share your thoughts in the comments.